Hello, my name is Mirko Sempertegui, and I will be guiding you through the Tableau 2 assignment for Information Systems and Organization. So our data source is here in the first sheet. As you can see, I'm including the country, which is United States, region, west, central, east, north, and south, the state, zip code, city, and sales. On our next sheet, which is sales by product region, Um, I have used graphs here to represent the sales which are in the rows. First, I will show you in our columns. It comes the year, the item name, and the department. And in the rows, it's region and sum of sales. Also, I have included here sum of profit because sales is not sufficient information to know about something. It's also we also need to know profit in order to know if it's a profitable thing. We we can sell a lot, but um, have negative numbers. So that's why I included the profit. Here you can see like central, east, south, west, and every single product. Hair care. Here it will show you the item name, region, what year, profit 14 million, and sales 31 million. Then our next sheet is concentrated only on the sales in the south. Why? Because of all the regions, this was the one that performed the better. Um, you will later see in the profit map why I'm telling you this. The one that had the most sales here was body wash and soaps from the Irish Spring Bar Soap in 2020, and the second one was hair care. So body wash here is it's better. Profit map. See, now this is what I was telling you about. This is the south. That's why I was showing you. The greener it is, the more profit it has, as you can see here, and the more dark red it is, the less profit it had. So the most profitable place was the state of Florida with a profit of 30 million, and our least profitable state was is South Carolina with only 353,000. Um, this is I included the profit map because it gives you a better visualization on which places are more profitable. Sorry. Sorry about that. Now I will show you the low profit chart. Um, and I use the low profit chart because it allows us to be more specific on our analysis. So as you can see here, for example, the state, it will be Alabama. We can scroll down and check uh, here, Florida, for example. Florida, we will see one bump. There it is, which is in Jacksonville. We can see in Jacksonville, which is the city, what product are we selling, which is body wash, soaps, hair care, and lotions. Jacksonville from all Florida is the one that had the most sales, then Tampa. But see, this low profit chart is more accurate. There's more information to look at. So that's why I included this sheet. Now we have the dashboard. The dashboard is a summary of our data, and sorry, and it helps us understand our performance and why it is happening like that. So here's the profit map. You can go and let's click on Georgia. If we click on Georgia, the graphs right down here will interact. It's interactive. It will change. It will tell us what product is being the most profitable, which ones are not. For example, here in deep Dove Deep Moisture Body Wash, it had almost no sales. Look, it's almost nothing compared to the other ones. If I click on another state, Mississippi, it will all change. There are lesser products also, so it's interactive. Now, the last sheet is story. I chose this one because it allows us to focus more in depth of our data and analysis. So I will show you also here. It's like I can change the year. Instead of 2021, I can change it to 2020, and the graphs also will change, as you can see here. I move 1 year and it will all change. It will show me how it's moving, what's the trend during the years, which is good. This is good for analysis. Up here in the stories, I included sales by product, which, as you can see, here is like the region, central, east, south, um, and on and on. It will show you also department, item name, which year, how much profit it has, the sales. Then we have also sales in the south. Again, I repeated this one because this was the place that had the most profit. So we will really want to focus on here. Um, Profit map. Again, I think this is a really good visualization thing that everybody should look at, because it's easy to understand that. Again, the low profit chart showing the city, what products are being sold over there. uh, Dashboard of all the years. We can change it also. Sorry, it's not working. But yeah, we have it there. You can see this Georgia. It will change also, so it's interactive once again. I also included South Carolina because it did bad, so we also need to focus on this one. I put the one in 2020, um, to see what products we have, which ones should be dropped. So body wash and soaps from Dove should be dropped. I'm sick. That one should be dropped. So we will see next year, South Carolina 2021, a year after. Again, they continued with this one. Lotion came down. So yeah, there it is. South Carolina analysis 2021. So this is the presentation. Thank you for your time, and sorry for my bad English. I'm an international student, and I'm sorry also for coughing. I'm sick. But yeah, thank you very much.